दिखा रहा हूँ
Screens now are the final rites that are currently taking place of the departed seer Mahendra Narendra Giri. Remember, in mysterious circumstances, just over more than a day, with that death which has now been confirmed by hanging, the final rites are currently taking place. This is the Bagambadi Mutt. This is in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. 13 akhadas have got together for the final rites. This is very significant. Remember, this was not just one akhada, but this was the Akhada Parishad, of which Mahendra Narendra Giri was the president. And that is why perhaps one of the reasons that so many akhadas, 13 in number, have got together. There was a procession that had taken place once the post-mortem had been finished by a team of doctors. And then after that, the mortal remains were taken even to the Lete Hue Hanuman temple, where it was known that the Mahant had spent many of the hours during the day. And then finally, these last rites are taking place. However, it is important to mention that usually in these cases where a Mahant or a seer of such a significant status leaves the mortal body, there is a samadhi that is also in place. It is like a memorial that takes place, and that memorial is going to be then set up at the Bagambadi Ghat. So precisely what you're looking at is also then a reference to the samadhi that will be made, and it will be in a sitting posture to signify that the Mahant is and will forever be in meditation. But it's not just about the death. Remember, this is importantly about what followed. Just after the news broke that Mahant Narendra Giri had died, what initially appeared to be a suicide, and investigations are still probing, our investigators are still probing into it, there was a suicide note, 15-page long suicide note written as is being right now, it looks like, by the Mahant himself. 3 young disciples clearly mentioned. One of them living a lavish life, a swanky lifestyle, Anand Giri. He has been taken into arrest already. Now he says that there is no reason that he had died by suicide, but his name suggests that they were all blackmailing Mahant Narendra Giri with some, as it appears, compromising pictures, and that is what led to the death. Let's go across now to my colleague Samarth Srivastav. Samarth, if you can elaborate for us, these last rites are unlike any we usually see, even within the Hindu community. What precisely is happening at this point? Is this what we say that samadhi is being made?
Well, exactly. The final rites are on, and it all started from Sangam and then Hanuman Temple, and now they have reached to this particular mutt where he used to reside, and samadhi process is on. And as you see, for some time the process was covered with some cloth, and that is the procedure, because when some seer or some mahant dies, the final procedure, when the mortal goes into the patch for the samadhi process, that time the body has been covered.
Okay.
That is the that is something related to the religious spiritual thing in the Hindu mythology, as they did not want any camera or anybody seeing that particular body, that particular mortal remain, and that is why it was covered with some cloth. And now as you see some things have, some religious scriptures are on. You can see some Jai Maharaj Ji, some as I can hear it clearly from the mutt. So these are the mantras being recited during this Bhu Samadhi, which in Hindi we call it Bhu Samadhi, the final rites in terms, and these are the final chants, the religious chants.
So these are the religious mantras and chantings that are on, and this is a samadhi, a memorial of sorts that is being arranged. Remember, while usually the last rites and cremation refer to the burning or the pyre burning of the body, but in these cases when the status is so high, there is usually a samadhi. And as our correspondent Samarth also was telling us from the ground, that when the mortal remains or the body is directly being dealt with, it is not for the cameras, it is not for the public. That is why it was completely covered in cloth and not really a visual. But now they are arranging that samadhi under, while all these chantings are presently on. 13 akharas have come together, reached Prayagraj to assemble for the final rites. All of this while 3 people have been taken into arrest. Anand Giri was questioned for more than 12 hours. He was also cross-questioned with another accused. They are meanwhile being produced in the court today. All of this while after 16 days they will also meet to have the new president of the Akhada Parishad. The Akhil Bhartiya Akhada Parishad will have to be decided. I want to go back now to my colleague Samarth Srivastava, because Samarth, what we see here is just one aspect. The fact is, what led to his death was the biggest question. What were these compromising pictures? Were they morphed images? Were they being used to blackmail for some other reason that led to a man to kill himself? Because he clearly states in that note, or at least as it appears it was him writing that note, that I wanted to clarify, but I realized that the humiliation would be too much. I want to live my last moments in dignity. So that perhaps the contradiction of what we see here visually and what's actually going on behind and beyond this specific update.
Well, that is why he took such an step, because he had terms and lengths with be it policemen, be it political parties. If something related to some land deal of land, he couldn't have taken such a step, and even if he could have taken, but that was on since last 2 years. So it was nothing new with the land. Angle came into the story when that particular Giri started blackmailing him on the pretext of one image, which he's calling a mobbed image in his suicide letter. Clearly, in this image, as he claims, he's with some of woman, and that is why he's trying to blackmail him, showing the picture in an attempt trying to surface it on social media and in a way to hurt his dignity, to hurt and whatever respect and dignity he gained throughout his life, with his hard work.
And Saurabh, while that is the investigation angle, yes, which is still currently on, can you also help us understand what is precisely happening on the ground in Prayagraj? This is the Bagambadi Mutt, where he was residing until now. Is this the same area, am I correct, Samarth, as in the complex where the death also took place, where the last rites are currently on?
It is the Bagambadi Mutt where the death took place, and it is the room where he died is hardly 60 meters from the spot, from the garden where the final rites are taking place, the Samadhi process is taking place, and this being done with all religious things, with all spiritual things, and scenes from India have come, be it Junasara, be it...
All right, I'll just give a breather there to my colleague Samarth Srivastava. Remember, there are many people at this point at that location. We are being told that 13 akhadas have come together already. It was basically, remember, as this was the Akhil Bhartiya Akhada Parishad, under which there were many other akhadas. And And of course, in solidarity, as part of association, different seers, as you can see the saffron-clad saints and seers there in Prayagraj congregating, disciples who may have known the Mahant for the longest time. There is the Guru Shishya Parampara also that continues with regard to these mutts. So currently the memorial setting up is on. Memorial is usually the protocol of these saints and at least of these akhadas, and now that memorial will stay, the samadhi. So it is not said that the saint has died, but he has gone into a samadhi is usually the references that is made. And that is why the cremation that we otherwise see is not taking place at this location. Remember, this was preceded by a post-mortem that was done under the watch of a medical team of CMOs. It was videographed and the autopsy confirming, at least the preliminary report, that it was one death by hanging. Viscera samples have also been preserved. Samarth Srivastav continues to be with us. Samarth, I understand that at this point, it would not be very easy for you to be able to report to us. There are so many saints and seers and there's a certain protocol to follow. But what you can tell us, do explain about the situation on the ground before I ask you further questions about the post-mortem and the investigation that is on.
The final rites is on in the garden of Bagambari Mutt, which was as planned around 2 p.m. It got late for around 30 minutes as the Rath Yatra stayed after Sangam for some time and then went to Hanuman Temple. But now the final rites are on and saints and priests are present at the spot looking for the final, to pay the final respect to the Mahant who stood as a pillar of Sanatan Dharma. So that is why his significance was great. He was much influential, not and never limited to one single political party. He has around things. So currently the process is on for the final right, and for some time a cloth was used to cover the entire scenario. As it is being said in Hindu religion that when some Mahant dies, then during the final procedure, during the final samadhi procedure, especially the body has been covered to avoid any in terms of any bad light, and that's just the reason, and that's why media persons were being avoided. Cameras were being told to change the direction to avoid that particular shot, and that is why that particular area of Samadhi especially was covered with a saffron cloth to avoid.
Yes.
There is Agni Samadhi for normal persons. We go with the Agni Samadhi as happens in Hindu culture. But when some saint dies, it's more something to level. As we know clearly, I want to go with Bhumi Samadhi, and he even mentioned the place in the suicide note that at this particular place where a lemon tea is great, and it is in the garden of that particular mutt where he used to reside. So that is why he mentioned each and every point, and he even said that his soul won't rest in peace if you guys won't do all these things. So that is why every procedure, every single thing is being monitored by the Akhil Parishad Akhada people, members and seers, and that is why some senior saints and seers have also arrived here to, in a way, advise, guide to do things better for the final rites of the Mahant who stood as a pillar, not only for Hindutva, but also for Sanatan Dharma. Yes.
Samarth, stay on with me because it is important to put this death in perspective. This is not just any seer whose rites and whose samadhi we are currently trying to bring forth, because remember, this has become extremely controversial one. He was the president of the Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, a very all-powerful body, close to political circles as well. But apart from that, after his death in mysterious circumstances, which happened just about over a day ago, then came claims and counter-claims. Did he die by suicide? Was this murder? Then a suicide note comes forth. Then we realize it's a 15-page long suicide note, handwritten, naming 3 disciples very categorically. One then gets arrested. Then the death gets murkier. Was there morphed picture or any compromising photographs or visuals of the Mahant that he was being used to blackmail against, and that is why perhaps he was forced to take his own life, because he says, I wanted to clarify, could not. So this is not just about the death of a saint. Is there much more to it? What was he being harassed for that such a senior saint of an all-powerful body decided to end his life, if this is a case of suicide, which the investigators, the special investigation team of Uttar Pradesh Police is currently probing. Now I want to come to you, Samarth, about the investigation angle, because the men, have they been produced at the court today? What is happening at that front?
Well, the procedure is on and it will take some time.
All right, Samarth, I will try and connect that audio link with you in just a short while. Let's listen into the chantings that are currently on in Prayagraj.
महाराज जी थोड़ा सर पीछे कर लीजिए। महाराज जी थोड़ा सर चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा, मीठा।
All right, so that is what the seers there, the team that is doing, is building a samadhi, which is like a memorial. As you can see, the members of the akharas already bowing down and paying obeisance to the samadhi, because in the protocol, as per procedure, it is not said that the saint died, but it will now be in samadhi, which in other terms can also mean figuratively that he has gone into meditation, which is eternal. So the mortal body has of course been put in its place, but it's not said that he's dead. And already you can see people paying their obeisance. They are of course praying and doing their namastes right at that samadhi, which is also called the memorial. 13 to 16 akharas have gathered for the final journey. But this is so unlike any other seer who has perhaps passed away in the recent times. It's such a murky, dark saga of what precisely happened. And not an austere disciple, living a very swanky lifestyle, is now a prime accused. Anand Giri has been taken into custody. A young man vacationing across the globe, driving luxury vehicles, seen on a yacht, vlogging and blogging about his travels, even taking political pot shots. And there, while he's under arrest, he has been named in the suicide note of the seer Narendra Giri, whose final rites are currently on, amid the chantings and prayers. Flowers being showered now on the samadhi of seer Narendra Giri. The final journey rites about to just get over. We'll try and get you some reactions if possible. Our colleague Samarth Srivastav is on the ground and his team is getting us these visuals. Very significant what you're looking at, how this will not just be a death, it will be by the crime aspect of it, by the sensational revelations that have come of was he being harassed and blackmailed, of allegedly some morphed images with a woman. Samarth, I could see some flowers being showered. Does it mean that the final rites journey, so to say, is presently over? What happens after this? Is there some meeting expected of these seers to chart on and plan for the next move, or that will happen after a few days?
Well, a short meeting may take place after this, but the final decision regarding the will take place after 16 days. We call it SOSI. It will take 16 days, and after which some decision regarding the new procedure will take place. So,
Alright, so it appears some of the senior seers are now arriving at the Samadhi, the memorial, offering their prayers. And this is while the 3 men who have been taken into arrest will be produced in the court today. Remember why this is big? This is because he was the president of the Akhada Parishad and could have taken any possible measure. He was close to politicians. He was definitely close to the administration, at least of successive ones. And he could have approached anyone if he felt harassed or blackmailed, or if he thought he was being unfairly targeted. What pushed the president of an all-powerful body in Prayagraj to end his own life? At what point did he feel so helpless that perhaps, and if this is suicide at all, that was his only final resort? Because according to the note that has been accessed by India Today, he says, I wanted to clarify, I wanted to put forth details of what my view is, but I realized it may be too late. The humiliation would have already been caused. We want to stay on this big story because our colleagues have been consistently trying to get us of what exactly could have led to the death of this senior seer, Mahant Narendra Giri, who was found hanging by his disciples at the Bagambari Mutt in Prayagraj. Remember, this incident happened on Monday. The president of one of the largest organizations for sadhus. So just think about the repercussions and the shock waves that may have been sent within the different akhadas across Prayagraj and across the country, in fact, when this news broke. Samarth, I'm coming again to you, and it appears that the Samadhi is almost now built. Seers are offering prayers as well. What happens after this? Because what I want to understand is, will the seers who we see offering prayers right now, does this end here for them? Or will they not back down till at least it is confirmed what led to the president of this all-powerful organization who either died by suicide or at least, to say the least, confirmed was found hanging?
Well, I'll agree with the second part, and it will not sit down normally because they have the distrust. As when India Today spoke to many senior saints and seers of Prayagraj, of Uttar Pradesh, Ayodhya, Varanasi, they were of one thing that they claimed, that Narendra Giri was never into writing much letters or things. So they even doubted the handwriting, as they claimed, as the former BJP MP and a senior saint of Ayodhya, Vedanti, he claimed that there are different writings in each and every case. The citation is also different. So he said that there should be a proper examination, forensic investigation of that particular letter to identify the exact handwriting. And what we are reporting from day one, that UP police hasn't yet confirmed that the letter is written by Narendra Giri. So they have said in the preliminary investigation, it was found with the help of his disciples that yes, the letter was written by Narendra Giri, matches to the writing of Narendra Giri. Till the time we did not get the exact forensic report regarding that particular.
Samarth, you keep tracking all the latest on this. The Samadhi has been built. The post-mortem has been done. The autopsy confirming preliminary report that this was death by hanging, but viscera samples, even food samples in his stomach, have been preserved for further examination. This is a story like no other. This is not just about the death of a seer, but perhaps shocking revelations one by one. Behind this austere seer living, was there much more happening at the Akhada Parishad? This will be our top story for the day. It's a wrap from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. Further news and updates, you can always log on to indiatoday.in or download the application on your phones as well. Thank you so much for watching. Coming up next, Sneha Murdani with the latest.